Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel English with Hassan 1, where we help you learn English smarter, faster, and with more confidence.
In this slide we are going to deal with verb mix. Mix is to put two things together. Let's see the positive form. I mix colors. It means I put all the colors together. I mix colors. You mix everything. You put everything. He mixes water, eggs, and flour to make bread or a cake. She mixes all the papers. It means she put all the papers together. We mix lies with the truth. They mix red and blue, these two colors, to get purple, another color. As you see, I mix, you mix, you mix, we mix, they mix. The verb doesn't change. But with he and she, we add es to the end of the verb. He mixes, she mixes. Let's see the negative form. I don't mix colors. You don't mix everything. He doesn't mix water, eggs, and flour. She doesn't mix all the papers. We don't mix lies with the truth. They don't mix red and blue to get purple. As you see, with I don't mix, you don't mix, we don't mix, they don't mix, the verb doesn't change. And with he doesn't mix, she doesn't mix, also the verb doesn't change. So what is important is just to put doesn't with he and she. The verb in the negative doesn't change. Let's see the question form. Do I mix colors? Do you mix everything? Does he mix water, eggs, and flour? Does she mixes? Here there is a mistake. So does. So we need to take es from the verb and to put it with do. So does he mix? Does he mix? So if you say do he mixes, no, it's not correct. So please correct this mistake. So take es and put it with do to become does. So does he mix water, eggs, and flour? And the same with she. So take es from the verb and put it with do. So to become does. Does she mix all the papers? Do we mix lies with the truth? Do they mix red and blue to get purple?